All right, Ninja Maniacs. This is going to be an interesting one. This hopefully won't be too long, but I want to share a very cool ninja hack. This will make sense in a minute. If you've read the title of the video, you can use this. I don't care if you're a real estate agent, entrepreneur, business owner. I don't care what you are. This thing is amazing. So here's the story. As a business owner, whether you're a realtor or another business owner, do you ever get into a situation where you find a really cool PDF document, maybe a marketing piece from another competitor or something you find online? You're like, I love that document. And then you start thinking, how am I going to edit that document? So you go to Google and you go through the Google rabbit hole and you find all these free PDF editors, only to find out that they're not free. If you want to download it, you either have to do it with their watermark, or you have to start a trial and put your credit card information in, or there are some that allow you to edit the document, but it's a crappy editor. Like you can never get the text to line. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? So I've been doing this for years, and I'm going to show you an example in just a minute of what I've used to use, and it was a paid service. And to be honest with you, wasn't that great? Wasn't bad, but it was very limited in terms of how I can get in and really edit, like really get in and edit. When you edit a PDF document, if you've done enough of them, you'll know what I mean. There's some intricacies to it, like getting things to line up with check marks, or when you're doing lists, right? You know what I mean. So I used to use a company called PDF Filler. The first time that I got it, I did a free trial, and then dumb me, I forgot to cancel it, and I started paying for it. And every month I'd see an email, "Hey, thank you for your payment," and I'd get so busy I'd forget to cancel. So I probably paid this company 30, $40 over the last 6 months, and maybe edited about 5 things. Right? Boo on the ninja. That was bad. Don't do that, guys. So as I was looking around, and guys, I've been using Canva Pro for a while now. Talk about editing. They are upping the freaking game. Like, you can edit your TikTok and Instagram reels like a beast inside Canva, right? You can create some amazing pieces. You can create postcards. I mean, oh my God, the stuff they're doing is blowing my mind for the little pittance that they charge. Well, lo and behold, I just found out you can edit a PDF document in Canva, and then you can save it into multiple files. You can save it in multiple formats. Quite amazing. So, what I did is I logged into Canva. Now, I'm not going to do a demo on how you're going to edit a PDF. Just go and, if you don't have Canva Pro, it's only a couple bucks a month. Go get the freaking thing. I'm telling you, you are going to love this website. So, what you're going to do is you're going to log in. You're going to hit create a design, and you're going to import a file. Now, I've already got one here. Let me see if I can find it. Well, this isn't going as planned. I'm trying to find a specific document. Let me go to pictures. You know what? Let me go to PC. Bear with me, because there's one I was trying to find, guys, that is absolutely amazing. All right, not gonna be able to do that. So what I did is I'm gonna import a file, and I'm just gonna import this one, right? I'll show you the one that I wanted to give you in just a minute. So there it is. It's importing a file, right? And if I click it, here's what it looks like before I edit it, right? And I've already changed brokerages, so I want to get rid of all of that stuff. Now, if you save it to your Windows, you can't edit this document like a Word document, right? So let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's get rid of this. And what I want to show you is, and I think it's right here, right there. Okay, there we go. So here is the edited document. First thing I want to show you on the unedited document, I didn't really like this, right? So what I did is I changed it up just a little bit. So let me show you both. It's smaller. It's got all of this, right? So I changed it up, made this bigger, got all of this information, right? Now, I want you to notice this right here. On the original, it's very hard to see and it's smaller. So I just made it bigger. So all I did was highlight over it, and right there I can delete the entire thing. I can hone in on specific words, like I can get rid of that E, right? I can go over here and I can change this color at will, right? If I want to go say red, right? There we go, which I don't like. But anyway, y'all get the gist. It's a PDF document. And then as I scrolled through, let me show you. As we scrolled through, this was hard to read. So look what I did. I changed the color of it with a click. This Canva stuff is amazing, right? And then look at the bottoms. So on the bottoms, it just duplicated all of this. I didn't want that. So I just put my logo at the bottom of every single one of them. All right, so check this out. Here, you've got this formatted like that. But you see on the PDF document, it's got this formatted next to that. I just simply came over here and moved it over, like literally with one click, moved that whole thing over. Again, and I switched all of this out. So if you look at these, all of these look like they're shifted over to the right. I came over here and centered them and brought this over, right? Look at all this stuff. And then what's really great about this, guys, if I want to, I could actually get rid of all of this. I could put a QR code and say, scan QR code to see how the Real Estate Ninja's listing of your home will save you thousands, right? They scan that QR code. Now they can go to a video. In a regular PDF, super duper difficult, all right? So let me show you another one. Here is an entire listing presentation. And by the way, I get these with listings to leads. I'm not going over a listings to leads demo with you right now, but guys, if you don't jump on listings to leads, you literally can launch Facebook or Google ads in their software in a minute, in 1 minute. I launched a Facebook buyer campaign for one of the agents on my team. Last night, I've already got several leads have come in, phone number, name, email, all of that in listings to leads. They give you multiple landing pages. They give you over 80 done for you PDF guides with websites, QR codes. I mean, below the video, I'll put a link for a 30-day free trial to listings to leads. You got to get it. So here is their brand new PDF listing presentation. Guys, it did not look like this. I changed just about everything on this PDF document, everything, right? I changed font, I changed size, I respaced, resized, changed the bottom and just dropped my logo, made this bigger, changed some things there. But guys, look at this, social media marketing. This is what we do. YouTube marketing, this is what we do. Print marketing, so guys, this entire PDF, totally editable inside of Canva. So if you don't have a Canva Pro account, go get it. It does more than just this, but for this video, if you're looking for a way to edit any PDF document. Now, one disclaimer, it will edit the PDF document as long as it's text. If it's a picture, let me show you what I mean. If it's a picture, so this right here, I can't edit any of this, but I can delete the picture and add another picture, right? So in a PDF document, if it came over as a picture, obviously you're not editing, but I could add text to it. I could grab a text box and bring it over, make it smaller, offside, whatever I wanted to do. But if it is a picture, you can only remove the picture or you can make it smaller or bigger. But again, what a powerful tool. You don't have to pay for these crazy editors anymore. It's all in Canva. And if you get Canva Pro, and by the way, I don't have an affiliate with them, so I'm not pushing them because I'm asking you to sign up I don't make any money if you sign up. I just think you need to go get this thing. But guys, the stuff you can do in it, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're into Twitter, if you're into Instagram Reels, if you're into TikTok, you can do amazing edits to your 30-second, 60-second videos that you could do in other paid editing softwares, but this thing has nailed it, man. They are getting better by the month, the stuff that you can do with this company. All right, that's it. Enjoy it. Love to hear your feedback. Drop comments if you didn't know you could edit a PDF. I'd love to hear back from you. If you like my content, smash that subscribe, smash the bell to be notified of future videos that I put together. And if you're looking to get information on LPT Realty, go below the video and get on my calendar. All right, that's it, guys. I'll talk to you on the next video.